Now we will keep all items in the two set. Except the duplicates. Okay, to achieve this we'll be using symmetric underscore difference underscore update method. Let us create two sets. Here is the first set. Let us create the second set. This is the second set. Now what we want, we just want to keep the elements that are not present in both sets. For that, use my set1, the first set dot symmetric underscore difference underscore update method, and mention the set2 inside it as a parameter. That's it. Now we will print the first set. Okay, so this will return all the items in the two sets except the duplicates. So except John and Steve, it will print all other 6 elements. Right click, run. Here it is, first set, second set, and the following are all the items in the two sets except the matching values in both the set. Okay.